RBI's 30-member RRC to overhaul 8,000 plus financial rules. Bankers Aspire. RBI is cleaning house. 5,000 outdated financial rules set to go. From 8,000 plus old circulars to a streamlined 3,000 goal equals clarity, simplicity, and lower compliance costs. New regulatory review cell RRC with 30 experts. Each rule to be reviewed every 5 to 7 years. Impact? Smarter rules, less red tape, more transparency. Less clutter equals lower risk of loopholes and confusion. Not just cleanup, it's a regulatory reset. Follow Bankers Aspire for cutting edge banking updates.